Oh, it's my first time! Yeah, and thank you to Ranrio talaga. Actually, it is very significant to us, especially to the sinasabi nilang third gender. Kasi every time ang nare-recognize lang is yung male, female. Well, it's time na mag-take naman kami ng space, and other countries naman ino-honor or ina-awardan nila yung mga non-binary. So thank you to Renrio for taking up the step na open ng non-binary category. To our friends and to the queer people, sa mga mahal natin LGBT community members. So first, huwag kayong mahiya na tumakbo, mag-take ng space, and mag-join sa mga ganitong fun run events. Malay nyo, next time, kayo naman yung nasa podium at, well, ma-recognize yung pinaghirapan nyo.